Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you one more slip stitch color work. Looks like cardio. Also I will show you how to make this nice and beautiful borders. It is a thick and dense stitch, so you can easily use it for the pillowcases. Will look absolutely great. For this tutorial, I am using 3.5 millimeters knitting needles and a medium weight yarn, uh, just my leftovers. And for this stitch, you need to cast on the number that is multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. For example, 33 stitches. I'm going to start with my first color. So cast on any number multiple of 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 1 extra and plus 2 selvage. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 15. And the first row, it's a base row. We are not going to count it. In this example, I needed all stitches, so you see the ridge on the right side. And now I'm going to purl all stitches. It doesn't matter at the end. So it's just because we are going to work in stockinette stitch, then it is better to start purling all stitches. And as I said, we are not going to repeat this row anymore. And purl the last selvage stitch. Now we are going to add the second color, and let's count row number 1. We are going to, when we change the color, instead of slipping the first stitch, we are going to knit it. Then slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back, then knit 5. And that's what we are going to repeat. Slip the next stitch, knit 5. Repeat these 6 stitches as many times as needed. Slip 1, then knit 5. Then we have 1 extra stitch, we slip it and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch. If the color of the next stitch do not coincide with the color of the main yarn, then we slip the stitch with the holding working yarn in front. All other stitches that has the same color as the working yarn, we are going to purl them. And again, slip because it is white, not blue stitch, and then purl. Purl 5. Now slip. And at the beginning I showed you the nice edge that I want to do, so we're not going to purl the last selvage stitch using the main yarn, but we grab the previous color and purl the last stitch using the previous color. Turn, and we are going to work with white color already. It is row number 3. Slip the first stitch. Now knit 1, then slip the next stitch, knit 3, and slip the next stitch. And these 6 stitches we are going to repeat as many times as needed. Knit 1, slip, holding working yarn in back, knit 3, slip. At the end we have 1 extra stitch, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, slip the first stitch, and again, if it coincides, then we purl the stitch. So it is easy, you don't need to memorize the pattern. Another color, then you slip, holding working yarn in front. Then again, purl, 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 purl 3 here, slip, purl, slip. Purl 3, slip, purl, and the last purl stitch, selvage stitch on the wrong side, we change the color and finish it with a new color. Turn. Row number 5. In this row we are going to work with blue color. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, then slip the next stitch, knit 1, slip, knit 1, and these 6 stitches we are going to repeat. Knit 2, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1. At the end we have 1 extra stitch knitted, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Now the main color is blue, so we purl all blue stitches, purl 2, and slip all white stitches. Purl, purl, slip, purl, slip, purl, purl, and here we are going to change the color. Bring this working yarn to the right, then grab the new color and finish selvage stitch. And last 2 rows, row number 7, slip the first stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, slip the next stitch, and then knit 2. Now repeat these 6 stitches, last 6 stitches, as many times as needed. Knit 3, slip, knit 2. At the end, last extra stitch, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and row number 8, last row, slip the first stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, slip, and purl 2, and repeat again. Purl 3, slip, purl 2. At the end, purl, grab the new yarn color. Do not forget to bring the working yarn to the right and purl the last stitch. That's it, and that's what we've got. Now we are going to repeat not from the first row where we just purled all stitches, but we continue working and repeating last 8 rows. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope it was useful, and if you're looking for a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please check a link down. I wish you all a good day and check more stitch tutorials on my blog and YouTube channel. Bye!